Well, BJP MP Subramanian Swamy is back to attacking bureaucrats after RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan and Chief Economic Advisor Arvind Subramanian. Swamy's new target is Shaktikanta Das, the Economic Affairs Secretary. Now, the government has completely distanced itself from Swamy's views, openly snubbing him, but he clearly remains unfazed. Here's a report.
Subramanian Swamy is on fire once again, and even his party can't douse his fire. One after another, Swamy is taking aim and firing, and at nothing less than big guns of the Finance Ministry. His latest target, the Secretary of Economic Affairs, Shaktikanta Das. Once again taking to Twitter, Swamy claims that Das is accused in a property case where he helped P. Chidambaram swallow land in Tamil Nadu's Mahabalipuram.
अब जेटली क्या बोले नहीं बोले इससे मुझे क्या लेना देना नहीं है। मुझे पार्टी के अध्यक्ष से मैं बात कर सकता हूं, प्रधानमंत्री से बात कर सकता हूं।
But Jaitley fired at Swamy, calling it an unfair and false attack on a disciplined civil servant in the Finance Ministry.
Well, the government has full confidence in the Chief Economic Advisor, Mr. Arvind Subramanian.
But an obstinate Swamy also tweeted about the government's reply on his revelation on the CEA, making it clear he would not cow down. Swamy tweeted, and I quote, "If BJP Union government says that we know all about Arvind Subramanian, but still he is an asset, then I will suspend my demand and wait for events to prove the truth. If an Indian held patriotic can advise a foreign nation where he works to twist India's arm is to be forgiven, then I suspend my demand." From Raghuram Rajan to Arvind Subramanian to Shaktikanta Das now, Subramanian Swamy is firing from all cylinders, unrelenting in his attack and unmindful of the government's opinion.
Subramanian Swamy has targeted 3 top guns and he has made it clear that he will continue doing so. But the bigger question is, who is his real target? Is he targeting Finance Minister Arun Jaitley under the garb of attacking these 3 top guns? With camera person Sanjeev, Brijesh Pandey for India Today.